Hi my magic people, my name is Sandra and in this video I will explain the difference between the two main versions of Lightroom. The first version is Lightroom Classic and the second one is the new Lightroom CC, which stands for Creative Cloud, which includes the Lightroom mobile app, so you can see which one is the best for your needs. Let me just tell you that all Lightroom versions can work for both amateurs and professionals, but you will choose which one is the best for you according to the workflow you prefer. The professional photographers usually choose Lightroom Classic, and the other ones would probably prefer a new practical Lightroom CC. First, let me tell you about the new Lightroom CC. Lightroom CC is a cloud storage based, so you can synchronize and access your photos on all devices, on your mobile app and on your desktop app. You can edit photos and share it on the go, so this Lightroom version is the best for users who like to take their photos with a mobile phone, edit them right away and share it on the social networks. As it's a cloud-based storage, as I already mentioned, you don't have to manage your files and you don't have to know anything about working with catalogs, like in Lightroom Classic. You can access your files across multiple computers and mobile phones, which is really practical. But if you prefer to edit on desktop and like to store your photos locally on your computer and have a most advanced editing tools, then the best solution for you would be a Lightroom Classic. Just to mention, you can choose Lightroom Classic to store your images to the cloud, but it will store just a low resolution proxies and not the original photos, unlike new Lightroom CC, which stores a full resolution originals to the cloud. So, in Lightroom Classic, you are responsible to back up your original files, but new Lightroom CC does that for you automatically. I use both versions of Lightroom, depending which kind of photos I edit. I have to say that I mostly use Lightroom Classic when I work with photos for my clients. As a professional photographer who has many photos which have to be edited at the best possible quality, with Lightroom Classic I can get the most out of each photo since it has more editing features than the new Lightroom CC. Also, since I take many photos on each photo session or event shooting, the fastest solution for me is to store them locally and I just upload the images which I'm sending to my clients to the cloud, so I don't fill up the cloud storage so fast. But for example, when I go traveling, I also take much photos with my mobile phone and I want to edit and share them fast on the social networks, so I use new Lightroom CC mobile app for this. In both cases I use Lightroom presets, which speeds up my editing very much, but I will explain that in some of my next videos. So, in conclusion, if you prefer having all the photo editing features and essentials that exist in Lightroom and like to store photos locally, use Lightroom Classic. And if you prefer to take photos with your phone, share them on the go and have access to them on all your devices, use Lightroom CC. Hope this video helps you decide which Lightroom version is the best for your needs. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!